So hello guys, so this is how you can earn free USDT from this bot. You're going to find the link in my description and then it's going to redirect you to this page here. You're going to press on play now. So you're going to perform this task here. As you can see, my speed has increased. It's 1 Neza per hour. And then you're going to head over to this upgrade section here. Now, in order for you to increase your mining speed, you're going to play also this lucky draw. And as you can see, I have one lucky draw. So I'm going to spin this wheel. So I've gotten 10 Neza. So it will reflect here. So if you want to earn more, you're going to perform this task. You're going to invite 3 of your friends. As you can see, when you invite 3 people, you're going to get 1,000 and it will drastically improve your mining speed. So once this is done, you're going to head over to the upgrade section and you're going to, there are very many options here. If you want to increase your speed to 84 per hour, you are going to buy 20,000 ZH. So you need to be performing this task on a regular basis. And as you can see here, that is what I'm telling you. You are given an option to share with friends. And the more you share with your friends, the more you increase your chances of mining. So that is all you need to do. And once you've reached this limit, you want to withdraw, you are going to head over to this section that says me, and then you're going to head over to this that says Nezha, and then you're going to confirm the amount of money that you want to convert, and the minimum should be 40. So once you've converted it, you're going to head over to this section that says withdraw. You're going to need to set a password for this particular process. Once you've set a password, you're going to set your limit, the amount that you want to withdraw, and you're going to set up your address, be it OKX or Binance, and then all you need to do is to confirm, and that is simply how you will make the money. So I hope you found this content useful and consider subscribing for more content.